Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we talk about fixing the sliding screen door rail. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and really appreciate that thumbs up. Thanks in advance. Okay, so I have a door here. You see the rail and the screen door just closes just like that. Notice it's very smooth, very fast, right? There's no hiccups, there was no holdups, and you push all the way to the end. There's no seams as well too. So that's how it's supposed to work. And this is from the outside view as well. You notice that there's this like a rail, right? The screen door rides on. All right. So all it does is like it glides on top of that with the screen door and the bottom of the screen door. You notice there's two wheels, one near the front on the side over there, and one near the end. Okay, maybe say about an inch or so into it. It's kind of hard to show over here in particular, but for one that really works like this one, it's just really simple, right? Just like that. Okay, so that's all to it. To simply close the door. Notice there's no seams on the outside and the inside. You notice that it's perfect fit, right? Very simple to do, very simple, just slide, right? Even though it's dirty, and a lot of people may argue, oh, it's dirty, it's not going to work. No, it's not the case. So just closes like that. There's no secret. Okay, so I'm going to show you the one with the problem and see how you fix it. Okay, let's look at the problem. So let's look at the problem area. So this screen door, I took the screen door rail out because it wasn't all the way to the end, so it was having problems catching back onto the ramp. Right, you can notice the dirt in that area, but this one doesn't have rails. Let's see how it works. It's gonna still close okay. You know, if you didn't have the rail, I mean, in my opinion, it probably work just as well. You don't need to spend the money, but it's still catching. It's probably my the wood patch that I put on the side to repair the vinyl is catching. So you can see, yeah, protrudes a little bit. The other one's not that bad, so it protrudes a little bit. Another thing you probably noticed is without the rail, the ends actually do scratch the bottom, of the surface of the vinyl track. Okay, so that's something that you want to probably take note. It's not going to be that easy because the wheels are not really that high either. So let me see if I can give you an outside view right now. So notice that the previous track wasn't long enough. We noticed that, that's why it's short, and they didn't really accommodate the full length of the sliding screen door. All right, so you're gonna have problems. So actually, there are multiple problems with this installation. So let's first, if you want to clean out all the dirt and everything on that, taking out the screen door first, of course, which I just did. You can see it's quite dirty, and the previous rail, which I took out and broke by accident, doesn't cover all the way to the end. That could be a problem. So make sure when you order the new rail, make sure you measure your size. All right, measure twice, all right, before you order. And with the magic of the internet, I just received the rail. Pretty expensive overall. And notice that one side is flat. You just have a part that sticks out just for the reel of the sliding screen door. So what our test is going to be, we cut it, all right, and put it in. I would use nippers. I would not use a circular saw, which I have tried and I damaged a little bit, unfortunately. Luckily, I was very lucky. So measure 2 or 3 times, then cut once. Okay. So I'm going to do it the first fix. So this is the first fix. If you repair your screen door vinyl and you just put it in like that, even if you cut it, you're going to observe a little problem. So this problem may not be observed by most people that didn't repair the siding or the track, I would say, of the screen door. You put your rail in, and luckily it seems to be the default size, the one I have, and doesn't go all the way in. You're thinking maybe it's the rail problem, but how can that be? You know. So, and you probably could see the problem because I already told you it, right? So you put it all in, and it's a little problem. Looks like there's not enough space for sliding this thing through. You know, it hits over there and hits another. And you got like, oh yeah, I'm stopped. Right, doesn't go all the way in. It's not smooth, and that's the thing we're trying to fix in the first place, right? So how we go about this problem? So you look at this problem, and what I found is actually the patch that I did actually interfere with the closure of the door. So luckily I was able to cut a little bit of it and able to do that closure. And you can see that the screen door has a rail that I mentioned. It has one here and one near the end. I think it's about an inch or so, and maybe an inch or so in. And you cut it, and it's easier to slow. It's no slowing the process. It's easier to close. That is. Okay, fixing the last part. You notice the door closes more seamlessly and more smooth as well too. So it rides a little bit higher. You probably noticed that compared to without the screen door rail, and yeah, it looks pretty good. See if I can show you and view from the outside as well too, because you probably go inside and outside. Probably slam it or something like that and make it go really deep in and without any seams and stuff like that. You can play with that. And it's not going to be perfect. Maybe I could just touch upon that. But the thing is, like, after fixing the patch part and also installing a new rail, it definitely feels like it closes more smoothly. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but you see you push the door. Yeah, it closes more easily now. So now you repair the screen door already. It's very easy to do the screen door repair. I mean, there are tons of video. I decided not to do that one, but it's really simple. You buy a spleen and a screen, and you take the other one out and put the other one in. So some people actually put a little caulk on the screen door track on the opposite side, and it will stick a little bit better. But now it closes really more smooth, seamlessly, and looks better too, I guess. I'm gonna repair the patch of the Elmer's wood patch. Actually works really well on vinyl as well too. I noticed that. So amazing, right? Great product. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.